Hello, so I ordered some stuff from e.l.f. and I'm really excited because I honestly already forgot what I ordered. This came really fast too, so I shouldn't have forgotten, but I did. Toby is here and he's trying to eat the box because he loves boxes. Oh my god. I'm trying not to show my address. There's a lot of cardboard. A lot of cardboard. I got lots of goodies. I don't know why I purchased any of this, honestly. Okay, so we've got the Holy Hydration. I got this for free for buying a certain amount. I finally got my hands on the Halo Glow setting powder. Anyways, they didn't have the little sponge for it or the Halo Glow face thing, so I ordered that off of Target because Target had it for once. Got this putty blush. I got a luminous putty bronzer. I'm so freaking excited for this. You have no idea. I got the new roller mascara. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then I got the glossy lip stain in Spicy Sienna. My ColourPop lip stain, the new glossy lip stain things that they came out with, fell out of my pocket and got run over in our driveway. So, I'm sad. And then I got the Pure Skin toner for free for a sample, and then I got the cleanser for free as well. I also picked up 3 brushes. I got another one of the Complexion Duo brush. I really like that one. Then I got the putty bronzer brush, and then another putty blush brush. I'm too dyslexic to say all of these too fast. But that's my e.l.f. haul. e.l.f. I would love to be on your PR list at some point. And then in my Target haul that's coming this week and next because they couldn't ship it together, I have the Halo Glow stuff that I was able to get my hands on, and then I literally just got a text message saying that they were finally restocked on the website. Anyways, I digress. You wanna say hi? Come here. This is Toodles. He's my little box eater. He wants the box. He doesn't want any love from me. He just wants to play with the box. Is that right? You're a box boy. Thank you. Well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.